Alright, so here we're testing CFSS mode 1 call, and also to see if we can cancel that CFSS call with the same HCNT board. So right here we have an HCNT board at the first floor. For example, floor address X10 is 0, floor address X1 is 1, and then we have it programmed for a jumper on 0 for down, and then a jumper on 8 for up. So we connect iView to IQ here, or the dispatcher. You go to System Configuration, CFSS. We're going to select car 1 as our priority cars to answer that CFSS mode 1. Select a car to configure 1. We have a check mark for that first landing. We have it on configuration 1. I'm going to go to System IO. Select a bus to configure. We have it to haul call driver A. Select bus, shows 1. We're going to do an input inventory. So right now it's scanning all the nodes in the group. So here we have 010 for CFSS Cancel, mode 1 front, floor 1. And then 018 for CFSS Call, mode 1, front 1, floor 1. Be sure to have this programmed in the system. 010 CFSS Cancel, mode 1 front for floor 1, and then 018 is CFSS Call, mode 1 front, floor 1. Now we're going to test it. We have car 1 right here. We're going to put car 1, give it a little car call all the way to the 14th floor. Alright, we're going to go to the bus tab. First, we're going to push the up button to initiate the CFSS mode 1 front, and then while the car is in CFSS mode 1 front going down to that first landing, we're going to initiate the cancel. So when we hit that cancel for CFSS mode 1, that car should stop at the next available landing on its way down and go back on passenger operation. So here we go. So we see it latched on the bus tab. Now we're gonna click the cancel. So now it's back on passenger operation. Now we're gonna do it while we're viewing the screen and look at the bus tab. We're gonna go back on CFSS mode again. We're gonna click that cancel. You see how the input lit on there? And it should work with the HCNT. Let's take a look at our software versions. I'm gonna go to Help, About iView, 4.2.18 for iView, 4.2.17 for IQ. Let's connect to the car and grab those versions. Go to Help, About iView. Here's the iBox versions, 4.2.5 for IMP application. So we proved here that we can get it to work with the HCNT board on CFSS mode 1 front and use it as a cancel as well.